So good morning all. Welcome to the construction part 2 class 6. So here our topic is an angle equals to the given angle. That means an unknown angle is given to us and we would like to draw another angle without measuring the same using our compass. The things is required: the scale, compass and pencil. As I said before, just set your compass like this. The points will touch each other clearly, and you need an extra pencil. So suppose we already have given an angle whose measure we don't know. Let ABC be an angle whose measure is unknown. Now we have to construct another angle with equal measure to ABC. For this, let us draw a line. First. Let the line be E and F. At this point E, we will like to take an angle equals to the measure of angle ABC. Now, expand your compass, whatever the length you are comfortable. Draw an arc putting this compass on B. Put your compass on B. Simply draw an arc. Remember, the greater is the arc, the better is the construction. Okay. Without disturbing it, without expanding it, draw the same arc at E. Same arc. The arc length of this is going to here. Now, measure this arc length. Here. We have this arc length. Put it here and cut the arc. Now we have a point. Join this point with E. If we name it as D, we can get angle DEF is exactly same as angle ABC, the carbon copy. Similar way, let us try another angle. Suppose an angle is given like this. Let the angle be MNP. This angle should be copied using compass. The same process. Draw a line with a point. Take the compass, draw an arc at N. Remember, better thing is never repeat the line. With the same measurement, draw another arc at the given point. Now, let us measure the arc length. We have measured it clearly. Put it here and mark a cut. So here we are getting a point. Let us join these two. We get the same. This is the process by which we can construct the given angles.